Can you put it in the basket?
Andrew, do you see any more eggs? See any more eggs?
Can you pick up the egg and shake it?
Shake it. Andrew, any other eggs in the room?
Do you see any more eggs?
See any other eggs?
Yeah. Can you go get it? Go get the egg.
No. You found another egg. Is there any more? You better look with your eyes. You can touch them in your hand. Let's see. Are there any other eggs?
There's an egg.
Let's see if there's any in the kitchen. Come on, let's go see if there's any in the kitchen. Whose chair is that? You see any other eggs in here? Let's go to the big kitchen and see if there's any in here. Are there any in here? Oh, yes, these. Oh, yeah, these eggs. Come here. You
And I
can
found
have
an
all
egg
of
too.
these.